Okay, just doing a video. This is my second time ever Cerakoting myself. Sorry I have to have a mask on because we're enclosed in a garage, but I hope you can hear me. So I did a couple bolts and washers for the go-kart, this guy, and did the magazine in Stormtrooper white. So it's still wet. We've been waiting about 8 minutes, so we're doing 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're going to put the FX on. It's I think it's pearlescent is what it's called. Or no, it's called cosmic. Let's see. So I think that's going to look really good with the white background. So made a cool little stand. Took us about 10 minutes just for this purpose. So it's only my second time, but we'll see how it turns out. So that's Stormtrooper white with Cosmic FX. I think the Cosmic FX vial is like this much. You add it to 4 ounces of clear, and the vial was 15 bucks, and then the clear you can get for, 45. So just the clear coat part, I'd say this is a $100 paint job, but then you can do multiple guns with it. So, all right. As soon as this is done drying, I'll get back to you when I'm spraying the FX on it. Okay, so we're back. Got it mixed up in here. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but oh yeah, it's gonna look beautiful. Okay, I need both my hands. I'll get back to you when it's done. But yeah, it's gonna be gorgeous. All right, we're done spraying. Let's see. I don't know how well it's going to show up on camera, but you can definitely see the sparkles in it. This is the Cosmic FX Cerakote. I think I got it just a hair too wet, but I'm not sure what happened here. Because the paint was fine, but when I put the clear coat on it, it did that. So comment if you can tell me. So, all right. Gonna put these in the oven, and then we're gonna do Bigfoot. All right. This is what I'm using as an oven. So, just regular old smoker, 200 bucks. I took the shelves from the bottom holes, put them all the way to the top, and so we'll see how it turns out. But I'm just going to stop the video here, and I might do a video on the final project separately. So thank you guys. Have a good one.